this video I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of your HP DeskJet printer. Now the first thing is to enter the printer into the setup mode. So this printer has a display panel with the buttons, so there is no touch screen. So go to the panel, press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button until power light starts to flash. Once the light is flashing, release the buttons. The light will stay on after some time and the blue light will start to flash on the wireless button. That means printer is ready for setup process. Now go to your device like Android phone, iPhone or a laptop and open the HP Smart app and click on the plus button to search for the printer. Set up a new printer, get started. Select your printer series. It will display the Wi-Fi network of your home or office and you have to enter the password of the Wi-Fi network. It can enter automatically, if not then you have to enter yourself. Click continue. So press the flashing information button on the printer screen and continue the setup process. Click continue once it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click continue. You will see the HP Plus, so you can join the HP Plus or you can do it later. You can join the HP account and enroll in Instant Ink, or you can skip this option, or you can just remind it later. Select auto updates for your printer. Setup is complete. You can print this page or you can skip it. You can also send the link to other devices or you can skip that. So click all done and your printer should be available on the screen and you can start using it for wireless printing and scanning from here. So this way we can do the wireless setup of HP printer. Thanks for watching.